We're doing a little 2-ton change out. Corey's got the outside done. I had this soldered together so we could flush. I'm going to cut it apart. My coil's in there already, obviously. I just cut a big hole in front of the plenum and made a patch. So I'm going to get this soldered up. Been looking, I've been tuning up this furnace for the last 14 years. I'm a comfort club, so yeah, long time customer. House is 20 years old, so furnace looks really good though. I guess that just goes to show you if it gets looked at every year, it really is never broken down at all. So something to be said for maintenance, I guess, although I'm not a big believer in it. This one just she's never had a heating failure. She's due though. I mean, we got a 20-year-old inducer gas valve board blower motor. The original, I think. Yeah. Anyway, just getting a new air today. She looks mint. Little 2-ton change out here in Roseville. Nice little 60s Rambler. We elected to keep the old 1957, I guess it's a 1957 situation, furnace in there. He told me he just had it checked out. Now he's telling me hadn't been looked at for 7 years and it's exploding on ignition, so I'm not too happy about that. Alright, Corey's been in here, he's got his coil in and he's getting ready to put his door on. Oh, that baby just barely fit in there. We got this old GM Delco heat. Look at that. Snelling company. Where's the filter on this thing? Have you looked at it?
No.
That's making a good seal. Did the coil have any dirt in it?
I didn't look. That's a good question. I don't even know if that is the filter. It's gotta be.
No, it's down underneath. It's gotta be. It's gotta be in there, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so.
Need some clean tape.
Where's the line set?
Line set's right here. So we need to add on to that. It's that. Unless you can maybe come around this front part and go in.
Yeah, where's the chimney go though?
Well, the chimney goes right here.
Just a sharp 90 right off the top?
Yeah, short 90 and then it goes right into there.
Okay, well keep that as high as you can then.
Well, this we can go in the same spot here. I had to take this gas off too to get the old coil out. But we could just go here and then just add on a piece of, like, cut this 90 off here.
What I'm saying is keep it up as high as you can though, so we're not right on top of that
chimney
and having to deal with a heat shield.
No.
Alright. Yeah, I always like to check my connections in the disconnect here and just make sure nothing's heated up or loose or arcing in here. Everything looks good in this one. That's a little loose there. You get, half a turn. It's a good thing you looked at it at that point. Yeah, look at that. Almost a full turn on that one. And this one did have a bad compressor, so looks like they just got the grounds wire nutted in there. Alright, she's installed here. Just waiting on Corey to tell me to turn on the nitrogen so you can solder in there. We're all wired up out here. There's the finished product. We were just trying to tune up this furnace and then threw a new thermocouple in, and the gas valve is not keeping it on. So I got to come back tomorrow and put a gas valve on it. There's Corey's work up here. And we were getting some dirt into the coil. They had that furnace shimmed up.
Hold on, Bob. It's crooked down at the bottom there.
Yeah, this should be okay.
They had that furnace shimmed up on that left side with a S-slip. So I pulled that out of there and caulked that to the floor because the bottom's not in that furnace. So our old coil was, you know, maybe 10% plugged with dirt. And I'm sure that's how it was getting in. So
Then I got a couple little wedges that
this weekend, I'm supposed to get a hold of him. He said if he didn't hear from me by last weekend, I was supposed to call him this weekend. This dude is going on 4 inches.
He is a big one. He must be an old boy. He must be first generation for that tank.
Mm-hmm.